And once you're back on the WordPress dashboard, you should see this notification right here that says this theme recommends the following plugins. And we're going to install these plugins. But before I do that, let me just explain what a plugin is. So a plugin is a tool that helps you customize and build out your WordPress website. You can see right here that this is a page builder plugin. So we're going to be able to build whatever type of layout that we want for our pages. And then the Sydney toolbox is going to allow us to build out different sections like our services, employees, and testimonials. And there are thousands of different plugins that you can find for your WordPress website. I'll show you how to search for some in just a little bit. But first, what I want to do is install these recommended plugins. So let's click on this link right here that says Install Plugins. And now you should be on the Install Required Plugins page. And all I want you to do is check the box at the top so that these boxes are selected. And then go into this drop down and click on Install. And then click on the Apply button. And now you should see this notification down here that says the installation is complete. So what I want you to do is click on this link at the bottom that says Return to Required Plugins Installer. And once you come back to this page right here, again, what I want you to do is check this box so that the plugins are selected, and then go into this drop down and select the Activate option, and then click on Apply. And now you should see this notification that says the plugins were activated. And if you do, then we are good to go and we can move on to the next step, which is installing the other required plugins that we need to make our WordPress website. So what I want you to do is hover over plugins on the left-hand side and click on the link that says Installed Plugins.